If you are getting Steam app ID not found in environment variables or an unhandled exception in escape from Tarkov, you're not alone. Many players on Reddit and YouTube comments started getting this error after launcher update or Windows permission changes. These are the most upvoted real user fixes that are working. First, check if BSG launcher is forced to run as administrator. Go to your Tarkov installation folder, right-click bsglauncher.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and make sure Run this program as administrator is not checked. Do the same for escape from Tarkov.exe. Many players say removing forced admin mode instantly fixes the Steam app ID error. Next, completely close the launcher and restart it. Open Task Manager and end all BSG launcher process. Then manually right-click the BSG launcher and choose Run as Administrator one time. Some users report this refreshes the broken permission handshake and let the game launch normally. Another popular fix is clearing the launcher cache. Open the BSG launcher, go to Settings and click Clear Cache. Then run Integrity Check or Verify Files. Corrupted launcher files are causing this error for many players. And if nothing helps, try adding the missing environment variable manually. Search for environment variables in Windows, open environment variables, click new under user variables and create. Variable name Steam app ID, variable value 72850. Restart your PC and launch Tarkov again. Try these fixes one by one. Most players are fixing this Steam app ID error after removing forced administrator mode or clearing the launcher cache. Bye bye.